Play a 20-second delay and then we'll get in there.
All right. We'll see. Waiting.
Waiting.
Oh,
It says we're live.
Oh, wait, pay attention here. Pay attention. Sorry, my Peloton just dropped again. What do I do? I'm running out of shares. All right, I'm going to take another partial. Whoa. I guess that's a good problem to have.
There we go. Welcome, everybody.
Hello, everyone.
I tried this.
Oh, come on. All right. Well. Yeah, thanks, Sheriff. It was, I think I got lucky. I got lucky with this big move on the SPY. I mean, you got to be in the trade to get lucky, I guess. But, really my tactical trade was really only down to about 97.50. So, it's sort of like, I would say I got 80 cents on my technical trade, and then I got another $1 on the lucky move with the market. So that's okay. That all counts. All counts to my account. So that works. All right, we are live on YouTube.
Commit. Okay. Let's see if it puts the order in now. Please enter valid account name. Well, that didn't work.
Well, you got to review your script to make sure it's what's your script?
There it went. It went.
What? Say what? What you talking
It
about,
got
Willis?
sent. It got sent that time, which is a positive. Before it wasn't sending. So let's see. Let me double check the script. After it said verify your account. Wait. I hope that's my account.
Wow. S&P 500 futures are falling according to Benzinga. Still listening to it there. Just since I'm in this trade. I was going to take AMD on an extreme reversal, but I got distracted.
Does anybody... Let's see here. Here we go again. We're going to... There we go. There's an order in. Look at that.
Oh.
Double click, calculate share size.
It's in your SIM account, right, Mike?
Yes, this is in my SIM account.
Just making sure.
Double checked. double checked before
triple, quadruple checked. Yeah. There's nothing worse than thinking you're doing it.
Oh, yeah.
You're playing around, and then you realize, oh crap, I just did that for real.
Yeah. I've only had it one time happen to me, to where I was in the SIM account and thinking I was in the live account. So I was trading, and it was a terrible day. I hit max loss, went out running, got frustrated, came back, and then realized at the end of the day when I went to journaling that it was all paper money. And that's when you really realize how much your mind plays a game on you.
Yeah.
Because as soon as I realized it was paper money, all the frustration, emotions, anger, all of it, just gone. Like somebody pulled the cover off, like nothing.
Yeah. Like, oh well, then never mind. It's all
Never
good.
mind. Why am I
It's all right.
mad?
Yeah.
You know, why should I be mad?
Oh, I don't have a fancy. I'm gonna give you guys some sort of fancy backdrop. Where am I gonna be today?
If anybody,
We got sort of a bullish day. Maybe we can both be with the bulls.
yeah, we do have a bullish day, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah, I got the bulls staring at me sideways.
I need something that's running up near the high of the day. Anything. Is there anything out there?
For the bounce back day, Jared, is that what you're asking?
Dun, dun, dun. I don't think AMD is going to go push the high of the day again.
Ask and ye shall receive. There you go. Is that what you wanted, Jared? It's also good for all of our Aussie friends out there.
The little
Aussie.
But not a bad day today, though.
Nobody?
I was happy to all around today.
Thank you, Kyle.
Oi. There it is.
There you go. Thanks, Kyle.
If this hotkey works, this is going to change completely how I enter trades. High plus 1 cent. So Chris MC, so because I trade the break of the high of the day and I'd like my entry to be 1 cent higher than whatever the high of the day price is, I went in with the help of Kyle. And there was one other person out there that threw in there and identified, I can't remember, that Daz has price equals high. So I did that plus 0.1, and now I took that and compiled it with Kyle's fixed risk. So I can double click on the chart and then hit the hotkey to get my stop market order at 1 cent above. Knowing where my stop is, I don't need the stop order to go in. So, and what you see here on AMD is Kyle said that it will probably stop you out as soon as you enter unless I remove that trigger order, and that's what I'm testing out now with this order that's there. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I can. Order hotkey.
I have so few shares left. I am going to do something crazy.
That'd be awesome too, Kyle. So that's what I'm testing. Do not use that in a live account. Forewarned. Don't use it. It's a test script. So.
I'm adding into Peloton. See if I get stopped out. Market is moving back up, but see if we can get back down here to the low that it's set.
Yeah, that'd be awesome, Kyle, with a stop functionality re-added to it. I'm amazed at how well you can read script. That's just not... It takes me a while. I can kind of figure it out, but...
Well, see, what always threw me off is that we keep using the same like variables names over and over and over again, right? So this thing is very like orderly, right? Like it executes in order. So anyways, but yeah, once I got used to that, Mike, it got easier. Yeah, see, like I noticed at the end of all of this, you set your default share right back to 40. That's what I was doing in my scripts.
Yeah.
So it does all this calculations to figure out the default share to use it, then it puts it in, but then you want to reset it back to whatever your default is, I guess. Anyways, that's what I always wanted. So.
Yeah. Just...
Come on, Peloton. Let's drop it. Oh, but the SPY is moving up. Well, unless something drastic changes here, it looks like I will not be taking one of my regular trades into the close. We'll see. Try and see if there's an opportunity.
No.
Space. Oh, he's up.
Ooh, Costco. Costco, come on, Cos. Maybe you'll be able to break it. Oh, 3 shares. All right.
What a weird pattern on Microsoft.
Let's put that a little.
Look at Microsoft over the last couple of minutes.
Ah, it still stopped it right away.
Wait, but the price dropped.
Yeah, but it shouldn't have stopped it. It shouldn't have stopped out. Because it did the stop. Because I calculated my stop down here. So let's try this again. Put that there. And now you want to decline and decline and decline, no problem. Yes, training account. Yeah, see, it's filling and closing out right away. Wonder why that is. Hotkey. Oh, that's why. Maybe if I would have used the right hotkey for it. I kept two of them because I did the tests.
That might be a good reason why, Mike, you're hitting the wrong button. I keep changing it, and it's not doing anything different. I'm hitting the right button.
Might need to hit the right one. No, Afrin, stop was way down here. I placed this thing like way here. That's why I got like 3 shares. I don't even know what I just copied one of Thor's things. I didn't even realize what the share value is in there. Okay, look, there we go. I'm in, and it didn't sell. I think.
Where's your stop? Do you have a stop order set?
No, I didn't. I didn't put a stop order in. I didn't want a stop order. Kyle said
I don't
that's
really see
too
a double
complicated, so.
On Microsoft, really? Not by the way I count it, so.
Don't want that. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, no, I assume that, Art, but I still not a double top for me.
There we go.
On Microsoft.
All right, so that worked.
I feel like I'm running out of time here. But
almost 10 minutes. We're almost to the trade of the week and the trade of the day.
No, the market's moving down for me. Anybody, guys, any of you know, does Peloton tend to jump when we get to that 10-minute mark? Do I have to worry about that? Don't know. I don't know either. I don't normally play Peloton at all, let alone into the close. You don't trade that crappy stock. Well, it's making me money, so I won't say anything mean about it. Sometimes it does. All right, then I'm going to just hold here. I've got 16 seconds. Oh, I like the look of this. Come on. 10 seconds. It's dropping a bit. Since I made a big ad at 97, I'm just going to take some of it off here. I'm going to take half of my ad off. Oh, what a drop.
Big drops.
Yes.
Did Peloton drop on you? That's that 10-minute mark.
It did.
So that means it's 10 minutes till I will bring up our trade of the week. Goes to
Drum roll, please.
Roku trade. So as you can tell, it was 2 trades. Took it to the short side, sold down at the bottom, got out at break even, and then decided to take it long once it reclaimed VWAP again. I don't know, maybe. Nah, that's not really a lightning bolt, even though it did pop above and then come back down.
Last equals 114.84.
Not really, no.
Not really. But then partialed, added, and partialed again all the way up, added one final time, and then got out of the trade. So excellent, excellent, excellent management of that trade.
Indeed. Well done. Sorry, that was the trade of the week. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I remember that one from last week.
That is the trade of the week. And today's trade of the day matches or even possibly So got in, up at the top, got all out at the exhausting volume. When it again started to reclaim, VWAP entered again. Took partials, got all out at the exhausting volume again. He was a little late, as he talks about. This is Dan. And then he got back into it again, partialed on the third wave, got out as it came back down, and then took it for that fourth long, slow wave all the way back up on space. So excellent trading on that. So congratulations, Dan.
Well done, Dan. That's a good management. It's especially you just keep playing it higher and higher waves, so that's good. Mike, we got a good question from Quant Smith that I can't answer. Do we post the trades of the week somewhere? They can look at the sort of the history.
Yes, so they are in the forums under Daytrade. Let me see if I can. I should be able to pull it up.
Kyle ATX just put it in there.
There you go.
All right, thank you, sir.
So they are there. And if you want to look at the playbooks from the previous trades of the week, that is actually in the blog post. So you can go to the Bear Bull Traders community, and then it says blog on the homepage. And that's where you will find the rest of our trade books from the previous week as well. So it's there. And then going into announcements as we're getting here close to the day, if you'd like
Okay.
and
your camera's turned into a level 2 window.
Yeah, I wonder why that did. Maybe we'll just disappear. Oh, there's Peter. My camera disappeared.
Me and my kangaroo.
For some reason. Do a trade cap and then an honest review of your time with BBT. Psychology for this week. We have Nada, who will be talking about getting intimate with your thoughts and emotions so that you can do some self-reflection. That'll be tomorrow, 8 p.m. in the webinar room. The following week, Dr. Katz is back with another town hall. We have one guest lined up and looking to get another one, just waiting back on a response from him as well. So we'll have two guests there to share their experiences and some of the troubles they're going through and some of the things that they're currently working on. And then I'll turn it over to you, Peter, for the success. Hey, my photo came back up for some reason.
As Mike figures out the mysteries of his software. Yeah, so guys, we have yet again some good success webinars coming up. If you remember, I've done a few, and Andrew did last week's, which was awesome. This week, we've got Mark Randall's going to be talking to us about the collection of the worst trades he's ever seen. I'm really looking forward to that one because I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And it's always better to learn from someone else's mistakes than your own. So that's Wednesdays, as they always are. 8 o'clock is the time for that webinar. And then the week after, it will be in October, Wednesday, October the 7th. This one's going to be earlier at 5 p.m. because Eamon is in a different time zone, so that's already late enough for him. So keep that in mind. Not this week, but next week. It'll be at 5 o'clock. So it's an hour after the market close on Wednesday, October 7th. But he's going to talk about how to develop a trade book and leverage that to drive consistency in your trading. So those are our upcoming 2 success webinars. Please, try and attend. They're great to be live because you can ask questions. You can really get interactive and understand how they work. If you can't, though, they are recorded and they are posted for our lifetime members in our education center. And if you want to join us, as always, we've got some discount codes for you, because if you're here, then we want to give you the opportunity to join at a discounted rate. So you can join on a trial using the code PREMARKET24. It costs $24 for 1 week access. We're convinced, like our new members who have joined us here for the first time this Monday morning, or it's afternoon now, but they joined us in the morning, so welcome. But you can get that $24 rate for 1 week to try out the room. If you like what you see, which I'm convinced you will, you can then use the code FALL35 to get 35% off the one-time payment option for our lifetime membership. And we promise you, one time. So once you've paid, you get all our material in perpetuity for the rest of your natural existence. We talked about it. We said if someone can prove they've been reincarnated, your lifetime membership will still apply. So there you go. FALL35 is the discount code to take advantage of that. You think?
Later on YouTube from Deandra. And the question is, are you happy with a 10 or 25 cent move on a stock that it goes? And really, I would answer that of it depends on the stock I'm trading, how much it's moving as far as within the day. If I'm trading an AMD type stock, yes, I'm very happy with a 10 or 25 cent move. But if I'm trading Apple, well, no, kind of Apple now too is 25 cent mover, so it's pretty decent. Ooh, are you getting there? But if I'm trading more of a Tesla or Nvidia, I definitely would want a higher move than 10 or 25 cents. Did I bring your attention
back to AMD? Yeah, so I couldn't let people down. So I did trade AMD short. I don't have a great entry. 79.50 was my entry. I got a partial at 79.42. So that's about as low as it went, I think. I don't know. I could have gotten 1 penny more apparently. But so yeah, only 8 cents. And now if it comes back up and touches the 50, I'll just get out. We only have 30 seconds left.
Yeah.
I figured the risk was good.
And then to add on to that, Dan from YouTube, yes, I always look at the risk to reward ratio before going into a trade, and that kind of determines where I'm going to partial as I go. And Bobby N, tomorrow we'll ask Nada for some reading material for you. Oof. So, and then for earnings today, not sure if you took a look at natural foods. We're big.
United National. Oh my goodness, 6 billion in revenue. Huh.
Yeah.
I do not know who these people are.
But
probably like industrial food provision service or something.
Yep.
I'm guessing.
And at the open, McCormick, IHS, and Angelo. And then for everybody that's in the room, if you're just trying us out, remember that we got the onboarding session going this evening at 8 p.m. Eastern in the classroom.
Hey, that's not a bad day. Peloton helped. I think not quite. Maybe.
Yeah.
Peloton might have been my best trade of the day. I'm not sure. I'll see when I do my journal. I think I had a better trade on AMD.
BA was my best trade of the day. Peloton was my worst trade of the day.
Best trade, well, depends how you rate best trade too, but most profitable trade. How about that?
Yeah. Oh, I was rating it based upon how well I traded it.
Okay. See,
I
that's
don't
important,
rate.
right?
Yeah, I don't rate off of money. The more I think about money, the more I lose money. When I don't think about money, I actually make money. So.
Well, they say that's often the way, right? Because when you focus
Yeah.
on the money, you're less likely to get it. So you're better to focus on the skill that you're
Yeah.
working on to make the money.
So Peter, they have a question on YouTube for you. What sort of patterns do you look for?
Oh my! Well, I have two patterns that are my primary. They're sort of ones that I have labeled called the mountain pass and the lightning bolt. Essentially, the mountain pass, it's a trend reversal pattern that's a double top, but it's got a number of criteria that makes it very specific. So it's a double top that then I'm looking to cross the 50 simple moving average. So I've got a number of criteria, including volume cues and candle patterns that go into that. And then the lightning bolt is a trend continuation pattern that involves the VWAP. So that's one where it'll cross the VWAP, pull back, and then continue in the original direction. It more or less puts on an ABCD type pattern. But those are my two favorites because I've got very strict criteria. I know how to manage them, and that's what I trade most of all.
Did anybody hear anything on Microsoft? That's a big pop for Microsoft after hours. Almost a $2 pop up. And
DeAndre, just since you're asking, those are the two that I talked about. The trade on AMD, for example, I took into the close was neither one of those. As soon as we get within about half an hour of the close, all my trades are momentum based. Just to be clear, my patterns do not have enough time to set up nor play out in the last hour generally. So at the end, I'm really just trying to play a little bit of a momentum trade. So like AMD, I just took it short because it looked like it was weakening. I was hoping for a big drop. I didn't get much. I got a couple of pennies, and that was it. But so like I trade the AMD and Microsoft, sorry, consistently, but they're all momentum based.
You're getting good at the momentum trades.
Yeah, I wish I could do it on the open the same way. I just don't seem to be able to.
Yeah.
But I have to like wake up or something and then pretend like it's 4 or 3:30 at 9:30, and maybe I'd do awesome.
You could be. I get up that early.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah. So. So not much in the aftermarket for everybody, but make sure you journal. Make sure you look back, reflect, and then move on to the next day. And don't beat yourself up too bad. See you tomorrow, Ann.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Indeed. Am I sharing a screen? I don't think I'm sharing a screen. It is time to journal.
I think I'm going to be a happy person tomorrow. I'm going to try that hotkey out tomorrow, and I'm going to play it in replay. So if anybody out there, this is something I found out this weekend when I was messing around in replay. When it first came out, you couldn't use stop orders or stop market orders or stop limit orders or anything like that in DAS replay. Well, in the newer version, you can input all those type of orders now. So it's definitely beneficial.
And I need to take that call. So, Mike, I'm going to call it a day, and we'll see you in PCT at 7 o'clock tonight. Later.